Hey, let me quickly show you how you can use the single take mode in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, before you actually start taking photos with this mode, you have to click on the right upper corner on this two lines. And as you can see from this, we have to choose what we want to capture. So this mode actually allows us to record 15 seconds video, and from this video it's going to produce the highlight videos, boomerang clips, filter pictures, and cropped shots and collage. And for example, if you don't want to get the boomerang clips, or for example this kind of the photos, you can just simply unselect them by clicking here. But in my case, I'm gonna leave all of this, and I have to click OK. And from this, all you have to do is just to click on this shutter, and now just move your phone around you. Just focus on the things that you want to capture. So this is the short preview. For sure, when you are like walking somewhere and you can move around, you will actually capture a lot of things. But in front of me there's like only my box of the phone, my second smartphone, and my mascot. And now I'm just gonna show you the results. So from this, it actually produced the 5 different shots, and when I swipe up like this, I can find the best photo. It actually gives me the filter picture. Also there is the boomerang clip. As you can see, it even gives us some kind of the music. And that's basically it. This is it. Oh no, I just forgot. This is also the fast forward clip. And it also gives us the original video. Sometimes when you don't have enough captures, you have to wait for like few times until the smartphone actually produce everything. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.